Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Aida Pindo Pumihig, 34 years old. I'm undergraduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Hi, Miss Aida. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
To be honest, loyal, hardworking, and patient.
Okay, so Miss Aida, since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
By keeping myself busy doing my work.
Okay, so can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
By giving them nutritious food, taking a bath every day, and love them as my sisters and brothers.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I promise I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me because I need this job for my family, and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Aida, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.